up, Gita's YouTube channel? We are so excited, not really, for today's video. Commence awkward silence. I'm kidding, okay. Today, I took over Gita's YouTube channel because we are doing a very interesting challenge that I think deserves more credit and should be used a whole lot more because it's really interesting. Today, Jacinta and I will be eating only serving sizes for a day.
Okay, so what she's saying is we're gonna be eating the recommended serving sizes for all of our meals. So let's get started.
Hey, Punchies. For breakfast, we're gonna have eggs. I'm very excited for this because eggs. Okay, we're on corn tortillas. Corn is something that gets me off of every diet. With these condiments and this bowl. Be careful, teeth can hurt while chewing this bowl.
Hot sauce. This one gets me. It's a teaspoon. Who has a teaspoon of salsa? Pepper, garlic, and salt. And I have 1 tablespoon, so 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay, so what she didn't tell you was the eggs. It's one serving is 1 egg. I usually eat 3 eggs.
Who eats 1 egg?
So I went and found the biggest egg that our chicken laid. The biggest I could find. We have 2 of those. So let's get started. Okay, and our tortillas, we can have 2 per serving, so we're gonna have 4, because there's 2 of us. And before I keep going, I want to let you know the seasonings we're not going to measure because we just want it to taste.
Apparently Gita doesn't want to wait for me. She already took a taste. We might not actually be starting today because the serving size of cereal is gigantic.
Try.
Ready? Blonde.
Ah! It's delicious.
It's actually really good.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
We have to savor the food. We don't get very much.
I think they might have Gordon Ramsay cooped up in the back of this kitchen because let me just tell you, whoever made this cereal is...
Are you trying to make it for my video? Let's have it this way. Always.
So this wouldn't actually really...
Yeah, the orange box of the behind the white basket. So move the white basket.
I'm kidding. So this really truly wouldn't be a channel takeover if I were not the one reminding Jacinta to vlog. I love my life right now. I love it. Don't question me. Anyways, so the dinner plan. Okay. To be honest, we both forgot to vlog. I got boba, but I starved other than this because I didn't want to go past my serving size.
You have to put this in here too.
Cheer. Alrighty, so we've got some tomato basil soup warming up. We've got some mochi and a serving size of this grilled cheese and a serving size of Genevieve's personality. Yeah, and some amazing snack mix by Annie's. Hearty meal.
You only get a serving size, Jenny.
But everybody knows the rules. Wow, that's good.
Yeah, I love my Paddington one.
So good.
Just keep me off the camera so nobody.
Uh-huh. One bite. Everyone knows the rules.
I need to make another email.
We have them. See that?
Carolyn, you want both of them out?
Yes.
One bite. Everyone knows the rules.
Tell me this is not one of the prettiest grilled cheese sandwiches.
Mark, come look at this. I want to show
Yeah.
you. This is one of the most brilliant traps I've ever devised.
2 tablespoons
I
of
caught him in a
butter.
position where, so he had bombs blocking off his, by logical deduction and by his movement, and I just killed his spy.
How do you like the food?
It's still brilliant.
Pass the dish.
Okay. I want that one. Nope. Yep. That one. Yes.